All right, folks. So I am at the Vermont State Colleges and Community Colleges of Vermont Library website, libraries.vsc.edu/home. I'm going to utilize a tool from the Discovery search, specifically this one that will allow me to search journals and newspapers by title. So I'm looking for the Harvard Business Review. All right. And it does look like it's available to me. I've got 4 results. I've got both hard copy, EBSCO Open Journals Online. Okay, all different ones. So this one is the one I'm going to select. See what's available to me. I could have selected any of them. Okay, so it brought me to the law review. Actually, I don't want the law review. I want the regular business review. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to select the Business Source Premier. Business Source Premier is an EBSCO information service. It will bring me here to this information page about the Harvard Business Review. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I select this checkbox so that it does search within this publication. And I'm going to search up case study, see what's available to me in the Harvard Business Review. It looks like there's 484 currently available. I could search this by most recent. Okay, looks like June, May publication already is getting posted online. Okay. And the oldest one goes back to 1923. So it's really up to you here what you want to search for. So in my class, if you've been assigned to this, you are looking for ways in which data has informed a decision-making process. And so if you were just to add data as a search field, it restricts this down to 25. So this might be a good starting point to consider one of these articles. And so from here, you'll be able to go ahead and, maybe there's this particular one. Okay, so I find this article, maybe I'm a little bit interested. It's from 2007, might be a little bit too old. I'm actually going to resort this by recency. And let's see. Should an algorithm tell you who to promote? Okay, futures of work are impacted by these, intelligent systems, quote unquote, that they're using. So what are my access options? Online, full text, or PDF. I'm going to click the PDF. Okay. So this is a case study review, Harvard case study review, business review case study review. It was published in 2018. It's looking at should a algorithmic system determine who should be promoted. So I could select this for my case study. This will be the article that I read and then provide my discussion, reflection, and assignment post on if you're in the class, or for those of you who are just here because you want to find a way to quickly leverage your university library to search Harvard Business Reviews. This is the best way to do it. Most universities will, license EBSCO or Gale or, an equivalent that will have Harvard Business Review in its license. So just go ahead to your local library and make sure you're in the journals and newspapers. Okay, it's the quickest way to get there. Thanks.